Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Solana. All right, has been bullish. All right, apart from what I said yesterday. Yesterday in general, and you must realize this, that yesterday in general it just looked very bearish. All right, and what I do is I do an objective analysis on a coin. So if you looked at Solana yesterday, there was just not that much that was bullish about it. All right, the open interest was still dropping down until 3 in the afternoon, so there was nothing bullish there. Apart from that, we just had a major bearish breakout, and Bitcoin was still relatively bearish. So what I also said is that we can test the resistance levels with some sort of bullish momentum from Bitcoin, but it's not going to turn bullish. And those were my thoughts. And the only way I do analysis is looking at the numbers, right? And as soon as the numbers change, I can change my bias. So what you see is that we had yesterday evening, we had a massive influx of capital. So what happened then is that with one move, we actually retook 175 and 180 as support levels, and we became more bullish. I wouldn't necessarily say that Solana is 100% bullish right now, because the thing is that if you look at the open interest here, but also if you look at the price, we're not at the same levels. So momentum is lower. It also seems that we have found some resistance here at 195. So I don't necessarily expect Solana to go for new all-time highs already, but we are definitely not bearish anymore. So something like that can change, but the thing is that when I make a video about the situation of a coin at that point of time. I cannot keep making videos. So yeah, but right now, if we look at Solana, like I said, purely technically, we're quite bullish, all right? Like I said, we broke above 175 and 185. That is a strong support level right now. We got a bottom indicator here, which is all great. But the main thing right now is that we get some sort of open interest gain again. So if you look at the open interest chart right here, I would say if we gain like more than $2.9 billion in open positions, then I think we can actually rally up higher. All right, so then I think we can break above 195 and 200 and potentially start to move up towards 220 and 225. So this is definitely possible. But again, the current situation would not say that this is most likely, because the current situation is that we did get a bullish breakout, so that's great. But after a bullish breakout, the only way to really push through and to move up higher is if it's a bullish breakout with momentum. And this is a bullish breakout, but we have lost some momentum, all right? So ultimately, I do think that higher, as long as Bitcoin stays relatively strong, higher is the most likely scenario. But for now, I think it's more likely to expect that this is turning into some sort of a consolidation, all right? So that we're about to move sideways. Unless, and the only thing you need to watch is the open interest, all right? If the open interest gets a breakout here, we're fine, but it looks, or we're good to go higher up. But if it stays at these levels, maybe moves up a bit, but then also finds resistance again, drops back down to 2.65, for example, right here, then it's just more likely that we will consolidate here in this region. Let me quickly delete this key level, but in this region around the EMAs. So that's between, let's say, 165 and 195. And at this point of time, purely technically, that seems most likely. All right, and then from that consolidation, so from this area right here, what we are waiting for is we are waiting for the open interest to start increasing. And once the open interest starts increasing, then you should prepare for a bullish breakout above 200 and 195 and the consequent bullish moves afterwards. But that's what I think you need to know for now. In general, just have a look at Bitcoin, all right? If you follow Bitcoin at this point of time, they're very correlated, then you know what's going to happen next. If Bitcoin crashes here, Solana will crash down as well. Doesn't look likely right now, but like I said, things can change over the course of the day. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.